The KF-21 Boramae is a South Korean fighter aircraft development program with Indonesian participation that aims to produce an advanced multirole fighter for both the South Korean and Indonesian air forces. The airframe is stealthier than any fourth-generation fighter, but unlike fifth-generation fighters, it does not carry weapons in internal bays, though internal bays may be added later in development. The first test flight took place on July 19, 2022, with manufacturing set to begin in 2026. At least 40 aircraft are expected to be delivered by 2028, with South Korea expecting to deploy 120 by 2032. It will also be available on the international market.